All right, so first we're gonna start off with a receptacle swap. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door. We're gonna pinch in these two tabs just barely to release the door. Now, I want everybody to get in the habit when they're at a customer of just flipping the container towards you for now until we get the new ALD device installed. So once the receptacle is flipped towards you, pull the entire receptacle off of the back pin, flip it down, and pull the cartridge out in the vertical position, because right now it can leak. Set your containers aside. Now, what you saw just happen is the divider fell out. So the divider, when we're putting in the new, if you have to put in a new divider, we want to take this and glue this into the receptacle. Okay, so if you do have to glue in the wedge divider and you're not doing a receptacle swap, you're going to want to go ahead and put this back on the back bar, lift up your tab, and now it makes it a little bit easier to work on. The new ones are black, this one's clear, but the wedge divider, we're going to glue it in. So you do want to have your gloves on, and you want to make sure the surface is clean before gluing it in, otherwise it won't stick. Okay, so right here you can see a little extrusion. This is where the wedge divider goes onto. That needs to be completely clean and free of solution before you glue it on there. So you want to get a paper towel, wipe those off. Then with the wedge divider, you want to put your glue in the trough and a little bit on this surface right here. Do not put it on the outside, as it will smear and stick to the edge. So we want to put some glue right in this trough. Nice amount, nice bead. Okay. You just want to take this, slide it on there, and press firmly until it's seated in the position. Okay, now we're going to go ahead with the rest of the swap for the receptacle. So we're going to lift this back up, bring the receptacle out towards you. If there's no solution in it, which hopefully there's not, if there is, wipe it out before tipping it down. Go ahead and remove the two dew-shell connectors, the one for the UP pump and the one for the self-clean pump. And you also want to pop off the tubing for the two peristaltic pumps. And now you have the receptacle to swap. Set that one aside, grab your new one. The new one's going to have possibly a little bit different pogo pin harness. And again, we're going to push the pump tubing onto these. So I'm going to go ahead and flip it upside down. Connect the self-clean side, the self-clean harness, the UP side to the UP harness, the UP pump to the UP clear tubing, and the self-clean pump to the clear self-clean tubing. Make sure it's seated all the way on the barb. This one already has the new wedge divider glued in. Go ahead and lift up your tabs. Set the receptacle on the back pin, the back bar. New tray is installed. Now, just like removing, until the new ALD device is installed, we want to install the cartridges vertically so they don't leak. So we want to slide in the UP, and again, hold it, put your pinky underneath it, hold the whole receptacle. Grab your self-clean, slide the self-clean in. Now you can install the receptacle on the back bar. All done.